Guys, welcome to H-QTV. So today's video I'm going to talk about how to test SealSend email. So in our last video about SealSend, we talk about how to activate our wallets, like sending ice to our wallets and sending it out, just small amount of ice. And I even told you where you can get the ice, and if you want to get it right now, I think the form is still available. You can just fill the form right here for you to be able to get free ice from SealSend, one ice. I'm going to paste my SealSend wallet under this video description, or tag it or pin it under the comment section, because once you receive the ice, for you to activate the wallet you have to send this out again. So you can just send maybe 0.0001, that is going to have like 4 zeros. So this is the Google form. I'm going to leave the link to this page under my video description, so you can come over here and do whatever you want to do. So let's go to how we are going to test it. So this is an article to follow about the procedure to test the SealSend email website. I think it's a website, it's also an app very soon. So I think this is for laptop. Let me look for the mobile phone. I think it's the same thing. So this is the step by step. First step, open the SealSend extension in your browser. Go to the invite and share section. Third option, enter the email address of the person you want to start a secure conversation with. Then click send invitation. When you do this, SealSend automatically open your email client with a pre-filed draft. This draft includes a friendly message, your public blockchain address, a clear call to action for the recipient to install SealSend and reply securely. By sending this invitation, you initiate a private, scripted communication channel that can be used back and forth without fear of interception. This is not to take much of our time. So this is our music browser. Once you click on it, just go and install the app on Google Play Store. So I'm going to click on the extension. So this is the extension. Click on SealSend. I'm going to, so you can just click on the menu right here to put it on desktop site. It must be on desktop site so you can see. So let me enter my pin. You can see, click on desktop site. Once you click on that, it's going to minimize it and make it smaller, like you are viewing it maybe from a computer or desktop. So what you are going to do is to click on the share button. You can see it. So last three option is we have home screen, home button, maybe send or receive button, and share, invite and share button. So you are going to click on that. So you are going to see invite and share SealSend. So you are just going to enter the email that person that you are going to send this message to, the person, H-QTV@gmail.com. So what you are going to do now is click on send. Once you click on send, it's going to load. So make sure that once it's load like this, the first thing is you are going to log into your email account. One of your email accounts can be Gmail, it can be Yahoo Mail. You are going to log in first or create an account if you don't have. So once you do that, then it's going to bring up this page. But if you have not logged in your email or Gmail or Yahoo Mail accounts to this music browser before, it's going to require that you should log in or create an account. So you have to do that first before it's going to bring up this page. So once it bring up this page, just wait a few minutes for it to load. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to make it big and edit my name, Samuel Oyemi. So that is my name. I think just try to read the I. I'm inviting you to try to send a Chrome extension that lets you send and receive scripted emails directly in Gmail. It is easy to use and keeps your messages private and secure. My blockchain address, blah blah blah. I also reply securely. 1. Install SealSend from the Chrome Web Store. 2. After installing, click the button below to write me a secure scripted message. The button only works if you have the extension installed and are in Gmail. So in Gmail, so that is, you have to use your Gmail account. If the button does not work, you can manually enter my blockchain address above in the SealSend compose form. So this is a compose form. So can delete, can write your own, can erase this text and write your own, but this is I think just for testing. So I'm going to hit on send. So message sent. So let me wait a few seconds. So let me go to my Gmail. So this is my Gmail right here. Let me refresh. I think it's going to, can see. So within just maybe few seconds, less than 15 seconds, so you can see. So this is it. You can see now. So this is the email that I sent my own. You can see. Let me know if you have any questions. Somewhere with me, you can see. So this is how you are going to try to send email, and this work effectively, just like it's also email. It's also email. So this is send email, and I think you understand the videos. And if you have any question, leave it under the comment section. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.